Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video earlier today on the Object Manager. So I just drew out some rectangles that are red hairline, and I drew out some rectangles that are black hairline. And you can see it alternated every other, so it's going to cut like that. It's going to start cutting that one, and then I'm just going up. And that wouldn't matter, that would cut pretty fast. But for instance, if you wanted all the black ones to cut out first for some reason, you could select all the black ones, and they're going to select them in your Object Manager, and then just take that last one or any of them and move it below. Now all your black rectangles are right here. So it's going to cut that one. It's going to go in this order. It wouldn't really matter, but I'm just kind of showing you how you could rearrange some odd objects in your Object Manager. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.